Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a Dollar Tree sticker video. So these are cards that I make using Dollar Tree stickers and other items. So this time around, I used the holiday or the seasonal pumpkins, and these are the ones that I have left on this 9-piece sticker collection. And then I brought in a Spellbinder's favorite of mine, which is the tier tray. And I also used some gems from my stash. I used these, I don't know what they're called. I'll put it in the comments below, to hold my gems, because you don't have to worry about them falling out. You have to press this button here to open any of the little windows. And I think I used the gold ones, and they gold. So let me show you the card. I think it turned out adorable. I used the thank you card, made a thank you card, and I just put the pumpkins in the tier tray. And then this thank you is from my stash. And then here are the gems. I have such a hard time using gems. Do you guys have a hard time using them? I never seem to place them in a way that I like. Let me know what you think about the card below. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.